All right, let's super early. Time to get everything loaded. We're gonna go visit our friends over at American Speed Shops. They're the ones that are gonna help us out, get these motors ready for a kick-ass season. So let's get everything loaded. You know what, while we're at it, let's do some super cinematic traveling B-roll. Let's get it. Okay, we made it. We're here, Georgia. My boy Hunter over there. We are dropping off the Bullets motor, and somehow I got sucked into dropping off Andy's motor as well. But they're both gonna get refreshed and ready for the race season here at American Speed Shops in Georgia. So this is Hunter. Say what's up, Hunter.
How's it going?
This coming next race season, we're gonna make some moves, so we're gonna need it, and Hunter's gonna help us out. All right, while he's getting set up to take this thing apart, let's get into some B-roll. You know, I came all the way down here for a reason. I had to check this white car out.
Yeah, yeah. And then it broke before you got here.
Oh man, it's clean though, dude. Oh.
We just had it painted.
Did you?
Yeah, it's a 98 model, which everybody hates the 98s because of the ECU. Come here, Bush, leave him alone. Needs a little work. A couple little things that we want to do to it still.
Yeah.
No cracks in the door panels, no crack on the...
What? You know what we figured out the secret to not getting cracks in your dash panel.
If you talk to my grandfather, it's baby lotion. What is it?
Abuse. They love abuse. If you just abuse them,
Yeah.
they'll never crack on you. We throw mine
Trash
around all
car.
over the place. We've cut into it. It's never cracked. Never cracked.
Well, that's good to know. Maybe we're gonna pull the motor back out, and I'm probably gonna cut it and finish all this.
Delete that box back there or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna delete that. Probably gonna put fuel tech on it before we get it back running again. So.
You're planning on coming to Texas 2K, right?
Yep. We'll be there with you and Andy. We'll probably bring this car. Hopefully, this car will be done.
Oh man, I'm telling you, this car is gonna kill it.
I hope
Texas
so.
2K, dude. I'm planning on having like a F-body spread.
That'd be cool. Cause see, my little brother's got a car too. It's a silver Trans Am, all original 02, like mint.
Yeah.
So
we're bringing F-bodies back during Texas 2K.
Yeah,
it's happening. Oh my God. Oh.
Still a long ways to go, but we're trying to get there.
It looks like it's more together than my car right now, to be honest with you.
I don't know. But we still got a ways. Still waiting on the block. We ended up making a change on the block. We're going with Noonan.
Oh, you got the RS7. These are the headers I'm buying.
Yep. Yeah, those are nice.
Are they?
Use a lot of him. Yeah, a lot of stuff. It's so big and bulky.
Ah, that's a nice intake.
Yeah, I like my intake stuff. And the heads.
Heads too.
They're straight jacket heads with straight jackets. Fast intake. So I don't want to cut the roof on mine. I want to keep it.
Yeah, no, don't do it. Don't do it.
Still have the door panels. We can try to keep on that.
Yeah.
For head first.
So you have to grab that top bar.
Suck it in.
Yeah, you don't have the handles, you know? You don't usually have the handles. Yeah.
This is the type part.
How's that feel?
Low.
Yeah.
And then imagine that hood. That hood seat, you know. I have to have these on.
Just more tilted back than what I'm used to driving like.
You're so graceful.
It'd be easier if the door was open all the way.
Yeah, the door does get you.
Yeah, he's
6 inches. Yeah. That's the only thing that, you know, keep that in mind when you do yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water.
Fix that, watch the other hand. Did that on purpose, yeah. Whenever you're ready, I'll go.
Go ahead.
Looks good.
That
sucks. That mic got you right there.
So yeah, I guess the good news is that there's not a whole lot of stuff wrong with it. Although we did have a little bit of water leak when we found one of the head gaskets. Probably have it in Florida along with the lifter. So it was a good thing that we did decide to refresh it when we did. But that's why we're here, so that we can get it back to 110% and go put the beans to it.
Preventative maintenance.
Yeah, really. But yeah, that's it. We're done here. We're gonna go get something to eat here pretty soon, but we're gonna let Hunter do the rest of the work, and we're gonna go back to Houston. But big shout out to this guy right here, American Speed Shops. They're gonna be our long-term partner, not only with the Bullet, but with Arsenic as well. Even though his motor's over there not getting any love.
In the floor. Doesn't even get an engine stand when he gets here.
Who cares about that motor? But that's it. We're gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna let this guy get back to work.